Electrochemical series, very easy, very simple. Now, electrochemical series, we can have electropositivity series, that is for positive metals, and we can have electronegativity series, like for non-metals and anions. So these are cations, and these are what? Anions. So there's a way to know them, very easy. This is what I've been using over the years, and very easy. Popular scientists can make a zoo in the low humid country. Like a popular scientist can make a zoo in the low humid country in Mr. Samuel's garden. Very easy. Popular here means what? Potassium. That's why it is what? This is K for potassium. This scientist means sodium, Na plus. Can means calcium, Ca2 plus. Make means magnesium, Mg2 plus. A aluminium, Al3 plus. Zoo, Zn2 plus. In iron can be Fe2 plus or Fe3 plus. D, this is mean tin, Sn. Low humid, that's lead, Pb. Humid, this is hydrogen. Don't forget, this one is very, very important. The hydrogen is above copper in the electrochemical series. Take note of that. Country here means copper. In here, there's nothing, does not mean anything. But Mr. Samuel's garden means, Mr. means mercury, Hg. Samuel means silver, Ag. Then gold means what? This garden means gold, which is Au. Now, this is for electropositivity. You need this thing. This is how you get to electrolysis proper. Very, very important, because if you don't know this thing, you will not know which one is discharged. Now, don't forget, that means in this order, this is what? Decreasing order. Because you have to take note, this is decreasing. That means gold is least reactive compared to what? Potassium. That's what it means, just like you can see. Now, O, this one, O, I borrow chlorine, not sulfur F. This is very important. That means, of course, you know that fluorine is the most electronegative. That means I'm arranging this in order of what? Increasing order. Very, very important. Increasing order. That means because this is more important, right? This is more reactive. So what do you call it? How do I call it? Oh, I borrow chlorine, not sulfur F. It is chlorine I want to borrow. I'm not borrowing sulfur F. So O, I borrow chlorine, not sulfur F. O here means OH minus. I means iodide ion, bromine, bromide ion, chloride ion. And not means NO3 minus, right? Sulfur means SO4 2 minus. Fluorine means F minus. Please, this thing, if you don't know anything, know this. Very, very important. So with this, you know the electrochemical series, the arrangement of metals and non-metals, and you can solve questions very well with this, because you need electrolysis. See you in the next class. I hope you gain something. If you gain something, do well to subscribe, do well to like this and share across all platforms. See you in my next video. Bye.